Hey everyone, had a unexpected surprise arrive in the mail today. Got no idea what it is. All I know is from Mattel. The Let's Create What's Next gives it away. It's made in Thailand. Let's open it up and let's find out. Yep, definitely Mattel. They really don't want you getting in here. Oh wow, look at this. Wait for it. It's the DeLorean. Totally forgot about this. Wow. The iconic DMC-12 DeLorean. Really made famous by Back to the Future. Now I suppose in this set, we're going ahead to the future. There you go, the future of driving is here. Alpha 5. So this is the box. Dell Creations, wheels. We see the evolution. The infamous DeLorean. Oh wow, look at that. This case is amazing. That old classic retro style Hot Wheels card art in there for the DeLorean. It's like you're going back in time and then we're going back to the future with the Alpha 5 in the new modernized card art for Hot Wheels. This is really cool. This is a great collector's item. This is amazing. I totally forgot I ordered this. So I'm gonna have to work out how to display it. It's very tempting to open it, but I think that display is just so good. I think I'm going to keep it in here for a while. What would you do with them?